Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about this air filter that I picked up. Lately I realized that everybody's going with the K&N or TRD air filter. What I got is a 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback, and what I went with is actually this. It's Blitz. So this is a Japanese company who makes all sorts of performance parts. So this is actually not fitted for the Toyota Corolla Hatchback, but I came to the conclusion that this should fit, and the reason is because I matched it with other air filters, and hopefully it will fit, and I'll be making a video about it. So that's the part number up there. It's 59624. It's actually fitted for a BRZ or Toyota 86. I can't remember what year it is, but it is the one with the red manifold. So basically what this filter is, it's the same thing as a K&N or TRD, but it is a dry oil filter. K&N and TRD are basically the same air filter, but they require oiling, whereas this one does not. It's basically saying here are the features. It uses basically all the same features as the K&N and TRD. It's saying it's got like stainless steel mesh on here, and it's talking about how you can get some like more airflow, and you can get some power up, things like that. So, and on the back it explains some basics on how to keep your air filter clean, or how to put in your air filter, and checking out when you're doing your install, making sure that the air filter box is clean, and all the directions of how to put it in, basic directions, nothing too fancy. And so what it looks like, it's basically like this. It comes exactly like this. I accidentally poked a hole there. Box is crushed because it came in the mail. Nothing else other than that. So you can see it's got this wire mesh filter harness, dry. Like I said, it's not oiled. And in the coming days I'll be doing an install video, and hopefully it fits. And if it fits, you'll be seeing the install video. If it does not fit, well, then I'll be out of some money, and I'll have this air filter that I probably will have to end up selling. So how much does it cost? It cost about $52. I got it from Black Hawk, Japan. It took about a couple weeks to get it. And like I said, you will not be able to find it to fit a Toyota Corolla. I did my research. Initially I was looking at purchasing a Tom's air filter, but the cost of the Tom's air filter is pretty high, and I don't know what kind of benefits I'm going to get out of it. And I do not like oil air filters. Only reason is because in the long run, it'll basically make your mass airflow sensor dirty, and I do not want to deal with that. I have a daily car, and I've only got one car, so I can't have a car to stall out on me. And anyways, so but power gains, I don't think I'm gonna get anything out of it. It's just basically for myself. Maybe I'll get a few horsepower at most. Maybe it might be the same. I don't even know. I won't be dyno testing it or anything like that. Anyways, if you like this video, please put a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see the install. And hopefully I'll see you on the next video.